It was a 9 a.m. drop, so I don't think it was a normal data print. There might have been like a tweet. So we have PMI at 9:45 and ISM services 10 a.m. So 9:45 and 10 a.m. news today. Crazy dump though. 12 months, 24/7. Alright, let's get it. Microsoft. Jobs report. Surprise jobs decline. Interesting. 12 months, 24/7. Dude, Mikey, get out of my stream, bro. We looking for shorts? We'll have to see here. You longed? Long seems scary. Because it does look like we could trend up with the longs, but this also is low resistance liquidity as well. So if we do come down here, it's probably going to be a pretty easy, fall down. I mean, I like the 5-minute here. It's not bad. In between the EMA and VWAP. Obviously, that low resistance liquidity below. It's time for a slow retrace. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but I think it's a slow retrace up and then maybe another dump down. Take out yesterday's low. Because we came close earlier this morning but didn't actually take it out. So long-term target by Friday, 9/10. Sheesh. don't know, man. We tapped into a pretty important retracement last week, and we're already seeing pretty strong move down. We'll see. Yo, Jane. It's good, TikTok. If you guys are just now joining in on TikTok, I request one thing if you're on TikTok. Just send in some likes to the stream. Tap your screen a couple times. And it helps out the stream a lot, bro. If y'all do that, this is the contract that I have with TikTok, right? If you guys send in enough likes on the live stream, the more likes you guys send in, the better trades I get for you guys. So if you want some damn good trades, all you got to do is tap your screen. It's not a bad trade-off if you really think about it. If you really think about it, it's not that bad of a trade-off. Does this method work on Discord too? Discord, I got y'all boys anyways. No way I'm tapping my new OLED monitor. Yo. Come on, dude. But the trade that could be called out could pay for the new one, so does it really matter? Chat, BRB. BRB. Hello, fellow trendline trader. Not a trendline trader. FYI. Our Clash Royale clan died. That's sad. People don't play or donate. Chat. Just mobile games? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Brother, I donated to you like 2 days ago. Yeah, I donated to you last week. Literally. Arc Raiders has all my attention right now. Exactly, bro. Like, bro, get my funded futures to do the core plan discount again. Dude, it's already the cheapest in the industry, though. It's already the cheapest in the industry. Like, you can't, it's already a great price. Trying to rape your code. Grape. TikTok, grape. The $59 were goated. Yeah, that's an insane price. Can't say grape. Dude, censorship is stupid. I'm gonna be real. Censorship is stupid. Unless if it's a kid's platform, alright. But censorship has to be like, especially TikTok. It is so stupid. I mean, fuck it, make an OF. I mean, chat, realistically, like, if I was a girl, if I was like a good-looking girl, I'd do OF for like a year, 2 years. Like, realistically, I'd do it for like a year, get stupid rich, and then quit. Like, we live in such a lustful society that these girls are making $90 million in 2 years on OF. I'd take full advantage of this right now. That's just me. Like, hey, if I was a girl, shit. It'd be click the link in the bio, but straight to the OF, bro. No lie. You'd see me on there shaking ass. Real shit. I'm just being real too, like, you know what I mean? There's more than their body, brother. Not these OF girls. I'd sub. Dude, come on. This is just a hypothetical, guys. Don't get carried away. I'll be a straight gold digger, says Swush. and then he deleted the message. You should manage the girls? Bro, I'd be fucking down, bro. There's so much money in that. It's ridiculous, man. It really is. But that kind of just shows you, like, you know, the type of people that are out there in the world right now. You know, like, that kind of puts in perspective the type of people and men that you are in competition with. You are in competition with dudes that are paying these girls to make videos like saying their name and shit. That's who you're in competition with. Like, bro, lock in, bro. Like, really, lock in. You'd be rich and alone. I don't know. These OF models would be so sad when they're 40. I don't know. I think there's a lot of dudes that don't care though too. You know what I mean? Like, they might not be like quality men with strong morals, but there's definitely dudes out there. Some of the dudes I think like that shit too. You know? So, hey, there's a niche for every single type of person out there. If that's one thing you can learn, there's a niche for every single type of person. So if you ever think like, oh, I don't know if I should sell this. I don't know if I should sell this product. I don't know if I should sell this product. Who's going to buy it? Trust me, there's people out there that will buy anything you put out there. There's a niche for everything. A lot of them are young people that don't care nowadays. Yeah, which is, yeah, it's fucked. It's crazy. Sounding like breast scales. Yeah, market open is so shit. Market open is so bad over here. We're talking about hypothetically opening a ref right now, like, bro. Scalping longs right now. My lord. You got nuts of steel. There's no way I could get into a position right now. There's no way. Made 400, bro. Yeah, this is, guys, whenever you see price action that looks like this, stay out. Just stay out. Do yourself a favor and stay out. Okay? This is price action where if you see the chart looking like this, you just, it's not it. See? Now that you were trading in this price action, entries off 460, it finally breaks out, and you might lose all the profits. I wasn't in that time. Lucky. Yeah, it's like eventually gonna break, you know? It's not gonna consolidate forever. It eventually does have to break. Are you bearish today? I don't really have a bias today. I mean, could do anything right now. We're in the middle of a range right now, so it's kind of hard to. We could take out both sides. We could go to buy side and sell side. Don't stop. Chad, does anyone snowboard or ski? This song would be prime. Just like carving some POW in the mountains, bro. Bump this song. I'm skiing right now. You're skiing and you're in the Discord call. This dude's crazy. This is just one of those songs that like every time I listen to a song, I like envision what the song, like the use case for the song would be. Like, oh, would it be like for a video? Would it be for like a certain type of vibe? You know what I mean? And this is one of those songs where I hear it and I'm like, snowboarding to this song would be insane. All right, well, I guess we pulled right back into the range right here. Oh my God, that's a lot of snow. That's a lot of snow. Andrew, appreciate the follow. Angel, appreciate the follow. Yo, appreciate the follow. Vistag, appreciate the follow. Gerardo, appreciate the follow. Baby, appreciate the follow. Yep, we have 10 a.m. news, guys. 3 minutes. Oh wow. I didn't actually realize how big these candles were. I was assuming they were small because we've been chopping. Right, we've been consolidating here. But these are all 100 ticks plus. Almost every single one of these candles. This one's almost 300 ticks. That's market, no. 1 minute after market open. Holy cow. Like, these are huge candles. How many trades do you usually take per day? I don't try to trade more than 3 trades a day. 3 is usually my hard cap. Less is more in the markets, man. Less is more. Less is more. You shouldn't be trading all day. You know, the best session to trade is going to be that New York AM Open. Price tends to get worse by like 11 a.m. So, you know, 9:30 to 11 a.m. is really the prime time you should be trading in. And depending on your strategy, you know, there should be maybe 1 or 2 openings a day, which is really all you need to make, you know, good money in the markets. And consistently, if you're going to consistently make money as a trader, you're not going to do that by taking more trades. You're going to do that by taking less trades, but more quality, right? Obviously, that's one of the hardest things to get past, though, as for most traders, is it's going to be that over trading issue. You're going to want to trade all day because the market is moving all day. But you got to understand, one session is all you need. 1.5 hours is all you need. How many trades have you took so far this week? Dude, I don't know. Chat, how many? How many do you guys think? Two trades signaled yesterday. Like 2 trades on Monday as well. 3 trades on Monday. 2 trades, and then I had one aftermarket. So like 2 trades on Monday, 2 trades yesterday. Listen, if you guys are on the edge about signing up to premium, bro, I'm telling you, just do it. This is one of those things where, like, you know, you're going to psych yourself out about it a lot. You're going to be like, oh, like, what if it doesn't work out? Like, you know, is it waste? There's not going to be a waste, bro. You're going to force yourself to get up on time and trade with the group. You're going to learn if you're showing up every single day. And, you know, the most, you know, you're paying like $75. You're going to get that money back, whether it's through the trades and knowledge and the education. Like, you're going to get that back, bro. In some form, you're going to get that back. So if you're on the fence about it, it's one of those things you just got to rip the Band-Aid, bro. Trust your gut. Trust your gut. Like, if you're ever on the fence about anything, it's because your gut is telling you to do so. So if you have that feeling, bro, just send it. Like, stop thinking about it and take action, right? People that are in their heads too much don't ever take action, which is the problem. I have that problem, right? So, you know, if you're thinking about it, just do it, bro. Just do it. Finally getting good volume. Dude, the volume has been insane already. All these candles were 100 plus ticks. The volume's there today. Just got to pick a direction. Swush, why no monthly recaps anymore? I know it's time consuming, so I understand. Just curious. Okay, so monthly recap stopped. Because yes, it is a lot of work. It's a lot of work to keep up with. It's a lot of going back and, you know, putting it in. And yeah, it's a lot of work, first of all. And second of all, even when we were doing the monthly recaps, people like were still like saying stuff in chat. They were like the free people were like, oh, that can't be real. What's up with it? When we were doing trade recaps, I don't think we had one red month posted, and every single, how we calculate the monthly results when we did it. I think I still have the thing, right? We did it for a couple months. We didn't have any red months, and how we calculated it was every single trade that was posted in the trade alert channel was posted in there. And we were kind of crushing it here, right? Like we did it very extensively. You know what I mean? We did it very extensively. I mean, you know, we had very good results. Very good results. That was a little bit of a slow month right there, but green is green, you know what I mean? Good month here. $1,400 ticks, December of last year. December of last year, holy shit. Crazy. December of last year, chat. 2,200 ticks again. You know, so I mean, we've done this extensively. Just as you can imagine, it's quite a lot of work. Check out my testimonials. Let's check out Jay's testimonial. Jay, in July of this year, I'm going to make sure we're not going to miss out on any trades. We're looking fine right now. This was Jay in July 2025. Okay, so this year, July. After a tough May, we made a huge bounce back, almost $31,000 over the past 2 months, closing out the month of July on a high note. I consider one red day more of a break even. June saw all green as well, all on 5 funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. Thanks, Swush. Trading can be tough for all of us, but you gotta stay in the game and not let it defeat your willpower. Amen. Stick to your rules and mental discipline. I know it can be easier said than done, but it's the truth. On to August. Insane. 31K across 2 months, chat. And now Jay gives you guys signals. And premium, how is Jay doing, bro? Premium, how is Jay doing? Went from being a lifetime member, making 31K in 2 months. And this is just 2 months, but, you know. Crazy. Crazy. To giving you guys literally exact signals of where to get into trades now. So. Killing it. Yep. Absolutely fire. Great work. Jay is crazy. I mean, all right, guys, send me your Venmo account. Shit, let me send mine. Hold on. Young Sauce, appreciate the follow. You really see long in this? If we go down, yeah. Maybe. Maybe. So yeah. I don't know if I was really seeing a difference in maybe sales for all the work that was going into doing the monthly results. That's another thing as well. But yeah, the range is crazy. It's insane. Like, these are big candles. They look small, but they're actually huge. Jay, upping your limits in this market is smart. 100 tick SL, 200 tick TP. That's how you adapt, guys. That's how you adapt. You see that the market did a 1,000 tick drop right before market open. So you're like, oh, well, if we have, these giant candles and we're consolidating, and these candles in consolidation are doing 150 plus ticks, then, it might be smart. If you do get into a trade, you up your limits, whether both your TP and your SL. Damn, 14K likes on TikTok. Sheesh. Can we get to 20K? TikTok, can we get to 20K by 720? By 720, can we get to 20K likes? I don't know if y'all can do it. I'm not gonna lie. 20K likes by 720. I don't know if you guys have that. I don't know. M Styles, appreciate the follow. 16K. TikTok, y'all might do it, dude. Can you play some Diddy or R. Kelly music? What's a good Puff Daddy song? Play Bump and Grind by R. Kelly. We'll see what that's about.
My mind's telling me no,
But my body.
but my body's telling me
Yeah.
baby, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there's something that I must confess.
I believe I can fly. Nothing wrong. Kind of a bop, dude. It's kind of good. It's kind of good.
See, I know just what you want, and I know just what you need, girl. So,
Been using TradingView connected to Tradeovate. You mean you've been using Tradeovate connected to TradingView. But when I place a market order, I don't get an option to manually set and move TP or stop losses. How do I fix this? I don't just want to watch my trades run. Okay, so there's a couple ways you can set a limit, right? You can set a limit by either doing the market sell and the market buy, top left. Second thing you could do is pull out this tool right here, either the short or long tool, right? And this will allow you to right click on it, create limit order, and then put in your, that's how you can easily set a TP and set an SL. That's how you set your SL with the red box, and the green box is going to be your TP. All you have to do, right click on it, create limit order, put how many units you want to do, bang, easy, simple. That's so goated. This is why TradingView is the best, though. Like, this is exactly why. You know what I mean? Like, this is why TradingView is the GOAT, because it's that easy to set a SL and a TP. And for those of you that are visual, just setting it exactly where a candle is, at the low right here. You don't have to look at the number or anything. You just go directly based off the candle. So it makes it so incredibly easy to do it. Other thing you can do as well, another way of setting limits also on TradingView, is going to the right of the numbers, going right here where the numbers are at, and you see a little plus button next to the number. If you click that, sell, buy, add order. So that's another way. There's 3 different ways. Top left, we'll either do a market sell or a market buy. It won't set an SL or anything, but a way you can set an SL and a TP is by doing this right here. So let's say you're in a buy. Right? If you're going long in the market, your SL and your TP is going to be a sell. Okay? You're going to put a sell limit. So you go to the side right here, you do sell stop on NQ. Okay? If you're in a buy, if you're in a short, if you're in a sell, you're going to be in shorts. So what you're going to have to do to set a TP and an SL is going to be a buy limit. Make sense? TikTok, y'all hit 20K. Y'all hit 20K likes before 1020. That's why y'all are the GOAT, bro. Can we get to 30K now? Kidding. Y'all did good, bro. I just had to test if you guys were awake. TikTok. I just had to test if you guys were awake. You guys passed the test. Good job. When was your last loss? Gavo, I take losses, bro. I'm not like... I take losses, bro. You know, it should be something that is very expected to happen every day, if anything. Like, you know, I go into every single trading day not expecting to win, but expecting to lose. And when you go in with that, like, mindset, I know it's like, oh, like, you go in with the mindset expecting to lose, you're emotionally already ready for a loss, you know, so it doesn't affect you if you do take a loss, if you do end up taking a loss. I took a loss yesterday. Let me find the trade. So the two trades I took yesterday, this was the trade, right? Let me find it. I'll literally pull it up for you. But yeah, don't join the Discord expecting to just win every single trade, because that is not how trading works for anyone. No matter, you know, who you decide to trade with, everyone takes losses, bro. So this was the short position yesterday. My SL was 80 ticks. Okay. This was my first trade of the day yesterday. All right. I'll show you the signal. You know, I message in the chat, short position, entry at 634, SL, TP, right? So I had my SL at 654, exactly where it is right now. As you can see, the entry, we got tapped in. It stopped me out by fucking 3 ticks. Stopped me out by 3 ticks and then went exactly my direction. But it didn't just end on a loss. I ended up getting in for the retest entry. Once we saw that move down after it stopped us out, it came in with big, strong reaction right here. Left behind another Sibby on top of our already existing Sibby, which I took my entry off of. So we got in for the retest off of that same exact level at 634. And as you can see, I mean, you can see how that played out, but yeah, retest up 120 ticks, full TP smash for 250 ticks. And yeah, it was a beautiful trade. So we took 1 L at the same exact area, testing the area, and then we got back in for the retest, ended up, so initially we took an 80 tick loss and then getting a 250 tick winner. So what is that? 170 ticks profit? 170 ticks profit from that. And then we also took an ES trade yesterday too on live stream. So that loss actually didn't even affect me yesterday because I took a trade on ES right before this one. And I ended up making, I think, what was it, 950 bucks on the ES trade. So I was actually still in profit after that loss, which was nice. So I kept all the profits pretty much from that whole trade. So yeah, I'm never going to sit here and say I don't take losses, bro. It's, you know, totally expected, but it's fine, you know? Like, you're going to take losses. You might take a couple losses in a row. But, you know, whole thing about it is, can you average out at the end of the day? If you can, great. You'll be a profitable trader. Where's the entry? So I have a short on watch right now and a long right now. I think a lot of traders, when they're first starting, they're so scared of taking a loss, bro. It's nothing to trip about, man. I'm telling you, it's part of the game. It's part of your tuition to play the game, right? Like, if you don't take losses, how are you actually going to learn? So, as long as you average out, bro, that's what matters. The best trader is the best loser. Who can handle a loss and walk away for the day on a loss? The best. Who doesn't let a loss affect them mentally, emotionally? That is the person, that is the trader who is going to last in this industry. If you're one of the people that gets super emotional about taking a loss or losing money, trading might not be for you. You know what I mean? See, there's different types of people in the world, right? There's people that are very risk inclined, which make good traders. They make good gamblers at the same time. It's not necessarily always a good thing to be risk inclined. But you have risk inclined people, and then people that don't like to take risk. So people that were like, oh, I'm going to, no offense, I'm going to go to college. I'm going to get a safe job. I'm going to lock in, a solid paycheck. I'm going to live comfortable. It's going to pay the bills for me, which is fine. That's great. That's comfortable. But those people won't be traders, or they probably won't make good traders because they're scared of risking. So you have to internalize, ask yourself, do I like to take risk or do I not? If you don't like to take risk, or if you do like to take risk, I think you just found your new favorite hobby. Welcome to day trading. Go crazy. Because every single day, man, we wake up literally putting our own money on the line, which is a crazy thing to do. It's a crazy thing to do. There's no other really profession where you're doing that, every single day. You're going in, you're putting money on the line that has no guarantee to be, made back. It's a very crazy industry to be in, and you have to be the type of person that is okay with that. You got to be okay with risking. Chad, we might not have a trade today. J-Boz, appreciate the follow. We might not have a trade today, guys. We'll see. I mean, we still got like 30 minutes left that I'll stick on, but yep, we're 30 minutes away. So as of right now, we're going to have to see some sort of breakout. I screenshotted, so this has to come down to my stop. Dude, GG, bro. G frickin' G. No one should be in a trade. Newt, are you in a trade? Newt? Hell no. Newt, because I taught you well, bro. Because I taught you well. You know not to trade this shit. I take credit for that. No, I'm kidding. Dude, it takes a hell of a lot of discipline to not take trades sometimes. Takes a lot of discipline to not get into trades. It's easy to get into trades, but it's hard to not get into trades. I mean, if you trail stop properly, no. No one should be in a trade right now, no matter what, bro. You know, at least if like you know, you follow my teachings, no one should be in a trade. Maybe if you're a scalper or you know you have a different strategy than me, all right. But you know, if you trade my system, no one should be in a trade. You're right. CP, yeah. CP, yeah. I need dopamine. Winning Thursday if no trade? No winning Thursday if no trade. It's not free, you know. If you guys do want to trade with me tomorrow, though, premium. We've been hot, man. We've been hot. You're missing out. I'm cheating on my mentor with you right now. Might get your premium next payout. Dead. Stopped out. Yeah. Tomas, if you're doing all that, you know, if you're doing all that technical analysis, bro, you can surely see that the market just, it's just not clear, you know? Oh, now it rips. I know you're pissed. I know you're pissed right now. Oh, I know you're pissed. Oh, I know that feeling. I know that feeling all too well. Yo, that's funny as hell. Not funny, but kind of funny. That's fuck. That's just like 300 take candle though. $300 tick candle though. That's a lucky ass candle though. That's luck, bro. Are you kidding me? 330 ticks in a minute. It's a lucky ass candle. That's a god candle. Slow mo. All right, there's the first tap into, I believe, what is it, the 5 minute right there? 5 minute, you have the 5 minute EMA right above as well. Yeah. All right, guys, might have a trade here. Chat, I think I'm going to take the 617 personally. I'm going to take the 617 personally. Guys, 617 short, SL 636. We'll see. Man, appreciate the follow. Oh, look at that sell off. Oh. Did MNQ get tapped into Jay's 603? I think MNQ might have got tapped in at 603. No, there's no way. It didn't tap 603? Oh, that would have been like your 200 ticks, pretty much. No. I'm always on time. I want to check MNQ. I don't believe it didn't hit 603. It usually moves like, oh, it didn't. Wow, it actually went. Didn't even go higher. Yeah, it's a tough miss. Good analysis from that level, though. That shit tanked. Like right away. Is this NQ? Yes, it says NQ everywhere.
intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Femstat cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the press. Let the rest know who did that. Metal fist terrorists claim responsibility. Broken household name usually set in hostility. What is MF? You silly. I like to take men's to the end for 2 milli.
Oh, I am muted. I did not know that. This thing is moving so slow. Edgar, appreciate the follow. Oh my. .603 got hit on other news. 603 got hit. DJ, appreciate the follow. Yeah, I think taking higher entry is a good idea. Personally. What is this chop? Brother, I don't know. We had so much volume this morning, bro. We had so much volume earlier on, and now it's just dookie. Waiting for Dookie's cosign. Exactly, there it is, dude. Had to wait for the Dookie cosign. CJ Clem, appreciate the follow.
Yo, G, they can't stop me from rapping, can they? Can they hop? I spit it through the wire, man. There's too much stuff on my heart right now, man. I gladly risk it all right now.
Hey man, I mean, some days are gonna be like this. Some days are gonna be like this. You know, you're gonna be on the charts for a couple hours maybe, not have a trade, or you get missed on a trade. Just gotta be trading can be very boring, man. So we'll see. We could still get filled in here. The bird is quiet. Appreciate the follow. BRB.
Hold up, son. Word. Yeah. To all the killers and the $100 billers. For real, niggas who ain't got no feelings. Check it out now. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose.
All right, chat. 2 more minutes until 11. I don't know what to do here, man. I do not know what to do here. Looks like that, what was it, 603 gave the 200 ticks. What's that white stuff on your nose? Yeah, that's insane. The 603 did play. So weird. So weird. Swush, you should get a dog. Big ass poodle. It's just one of those days, guys. It's just one of those days. Maybe no trades. We're not over yet, though. Are you looking for any more bikes? Yes, I want to trade my bike for an S1K. So if anyone wants to buy an R1, bro, I'm looking for 19. I'm looking for 19. All right, if you want to buy my bike, come to me. Let's go. I'm ready. You're ready. Let's just do it. I'm looking at an S1K right now. M package. I'll buy it for $19. For you, Newt, I got you. Wences, appreciate the follow. I got 1900 for you. Sheesh. I'll keep it in mind. All right, hold on, chat. Day's not over yet. Hold on. We could cook. Swush, I got this limit set. Can you update any changes? I gotta go outside and lay in the cold grass. Yes, I will update on anything. Lay in the cold grass. Huh. Yeah, that's a new one. That's a new one. praying for you, Brody. The grass is frozen. I just need to lay in that shit for 10. All right, bro. All right, man. I got you, bro. I got you. Basically a cold plunge. Oh, man. The stuff trading will do to you. God, that's funny. I'm sure we've all had the time, bro, like, where, like, you know, you take a trade or something and then you just, like, lay down somewhere and you just stare up to the sky and you're like, you're just sitting there like, what the fuck? Everyone's had those days, bro. Everyone's had those days. And if you haven't, you can't call yourself a trader. On another note, a lot of snow here in Denver. Hope it's nice in Newport today. Is there a lot of snow in Denver right now? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, dude, it's beautiful in Newport right now. It is very nice. It's gonna be nice all week, dude. Like, when I first moved here, it was just like straight rainy days and clouds. And now it's going to be really nice weather, so it's nice. It is nice. Swush, what monitors do you run for your setup? After a couple more payouts, I'm looking for a PC. I have a 32-inch and then a vertical 27-inch. I only run 2 monitors. I've had 3. I've had 3 before, but 2 is kind of fine. Especially like if you only need like your chart and Discord open, it's more than enough. Have you visited any nearby cities in Newport? Yeah. 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 I had to go to Corona yesterday. On the bike, so yeah, no, it was a cool mountain ride there. It was actually sick. You don't get that type of riding in Miami, I'll tell you that. I'm so happy to be out of Miami though, like, my God. It's just the people, bro. I swear it's the people. People are just completely different, bro. You got Fim out here in Cali at all? No. But close by, yeah. Closer than Miami, at least. Spring in Cali's fire. Could we long off the 1 minute below? Yeah, you could, probably. You could, for sure. I'm thinking about it as well, but I kind of want to see the initial reaction first. So it'll be sweeping some internal liquidity, and there's relative equal highs. Or am I just talking out of my ass? No, you're right. It would be sweeping that internal liquidity. We'll see though. I don't really like how the 1 minute EMA and VWAP are set up though for taking a long. So that's the other thing too. Like we can see the 5 minute EMA is strong support, and then you have the VWAP right here. So like we're kind of in the middle of these two. And then the 1 minute is even a weirder story because you have them both right here. So, and plus, how does the RR actually look on this? You know, like, oh, you'll tap in. I mean, I guess you could target the high, but I don't know. Why do you have a 5 minute FEG there and Top Step doesn't? Top Step is scamming yo ass. They're feeding you fake data. 930 gap. I don't think it's not a fair value gap. It's close, but no. It's not an actual imbalance. Yep. That might have been the top, Jay. And you called it too. Fucking 603. Fucking top ticked it, bro. It's insane. Swush, what would you like to see to retire from trading? I don't think I would like retire from trading. I think it's always going to be a hobby. No matter how rich I am. If anything, it gets more fun when you get more money. You get to have more fun doing it. Trading's tough, bro, when you don't have money. You know? That shit's stressful. Stressful. You take a loss and it feels like you just got stabbed in the heart. No, I think I'd always trade, bro. Honestly, I'd maybe slow down on day trading and focus more on, you know, my long-term stuff. But it's always gonna be a hobby, bro. It's always gonna be a hobby. It's fun. It's enjoyable. It's a test of you know, your skills as well. But not like athletic skills, you know, not like physical skills, but like mental skills, which is huge. Which, you know, not a lot of things will test you mentally like this. So it's a rare feeling to feel.
double-breasted. He keep a lab down south in the Little Beast. So much heat you would have thought it was the Middle East. A little grease always keeps the wheels a spinning, like sitting on 23s to get the squealers grinning. Hitting on many trees, feel real winning. Spitting on enemies, get the steel for 10 men with no brains but gum flap. He said his gun clapped, then he fled after one slap. Sun shut the trap, saving for the
Thinking about a lower entry?
delicious rap snitch.
Honestly, not really. Not really. I know we do have this low resistance below, but I mean, I don't know. I'd have to probably see something on the 5 minute. And I don't think we're gonna get it, at least on this candle. If I would though, it'd probably be, you know, around this area to ride down for the shorts. Target maybe this candle, that order block right here. Target that order block, which is, you know, it'd be a fucking fat move. I've noticed since I started trading, my friend circle shrank to like 2 people. Dude, listen, when you're on a mission to do something, you're on a mission to, you know, be successful, you're not going to have a lot of friends, bro. It's just how it is. And like, if you do have a lot of friends, they're not going to be real friends. You know, like, you're going to have a small circle. That's just how it is, bro. I mean, and that's not just for traders, you know, like, you know, I know billionaires with, you know, companies, and even they say, you know, it's a lonely path to becoming successful. And it is, bro. It's a tough journey, you know. You have to be locked in. You have to eliminate distractions. You have to tell people no, you know. A lot of people are scared to say no to people and be like, oh, nah, I don't want to go out. No, I don't want to go grab a drink. No, I don't, you know, whatever. You have to be locked in. You have to be focused. And then like once you do start getting a taste of like that success, everything else kind of becomes mundane. Everything else becomes less potent, I guess. You know, like everything else kind of becomes boring once you do touch that success, or once you do, you know, touch a little bit of something. Everything else becomes boring, and you just constantly want to keep chasing that success. It could drive you nuts. But, you know, a lot of really successful people are pretty nuts. So that is what you will come to see. But, you know, you just upgrade your friend circle at the end of the day. Like, that's what you're gonna get, you know. You're eliminating friends and you're eliminating relationships that were attracted to you when you were at a certain frequency, right? Like you had a certain mindset, and therefore you were attracting a certain type of people around you. And now, you know, you're on this, oh, I'm going to work hard. I'm going to eliminate distractions. I'm going to keep my head down. I'm going to stay focused. I'm going to be disciplined. And then you're going to attract a new type of people. And that type of person is very rare to find. So that's the reason you're going to have a small friend circle. Because you're going to attract people with your same mindset, which is a very rare mindset to truly have. A lot of these kids want to say, oh, like, they want to talk the game, but they're not actually doing the game, you know? Like, everyone wants to be doing something. but it's a whole different thing to actually be doing it, you know? So just keep going, bro. Honestly, like, you're just gonna upgrade your friend circle at the end of the day. Like, you're on this path of trying to change your life, change your family's life around you. You're gonna lose people, bro, but you're just gonna upgrade those people, right? And it, like, some people might call it fucked up and whatnot, you know? Like, I don't talk to any of the kids I went to school with, you know? I barely talk to any people like that anymore. But you know what? I found new friends that are very successful, friends that, you know, can help me, friends that, you know, we get on the phone and it's like, yo, like, how's the business going? Like, you know, what's good? And you know, we're like, oh, you know, it's going, you know, it's tough, keep going. Like, I don't know if he's in here right now, but I got one of my buddies who owns a business and he's trying to get into trading, and he has the mindset. He has the mindset to be a trader. He's ultra disciplined because he already owns, you know, a pretty successful business on his own. And I'm like, dude, like, you got the mindset, and, you know, that's the type of people you're going to find yourself around, though. It's going to be that rare mindset, that rare breed of individuals that are grinders, you know? So what I've learned, bro, is people are replaceable. As fucked up as it sounds, people are replaceable at the end of the day. You know what I mean? People are replaceable, and you know, at the end of the day, you only have, give or take, 80 years on this planet. So, you know, try to live your life up the way you want to, and, you know, why not go all in on something? Why not go all in? Oh, I'm gonna lose, you know, my entire friend group of 15 people. Majority of those people are gonna be working like mindless, dead jobs, bro. And then the other thing is too, and like, there's nothing wrong with that too, right? Like, whatever. But like, I personally, I want to surround myself with strong-minded individuals, you know, like people where you can have that conversation with, and, you know, they can help you because they've been in your shoes, or, you know, they've experienced the same things. I'm trying to get plugged into the finance field, but got no connects. Dude, you just got to get out there. I'm telling you, like, you just have to start doing and getting out there. That's it. That's it. You know, you just have to start being in the field. You know, you got to be in the field. You got to build up some you got to build up who you are first. Been a year since I graduated, and so many of you guys in here too are like so dang young too. It's like, dude, so much can change so quickly as well. You just got to get out there, bro. Put your face out there, you know? Put your face out there and go shake some hands, I guess. Even if it's not like financial people, like, I mean, I guess everyone's like a finance person if you got money, but like, you know, people that also own businesses will have the same mindset as you. Do you trade in props still or cash? I've been trading my cash account. I've been trading my cash account. Fuck this PA. I'm off the charts. Yeah, I might hop off here soon too. ES had a very nice tap of VWAP. Played the VWAP nice. AMP or trade bait? Trade bait. Just because you can't, I don't think you can trade AMP. Actually, yeah, you can. Yeah, 11:30 here, guys. I mean, sheesh. Is this real? Question mark. Yes, this is real. This is not AI generated swoosh yet. Yet. RH, appreciate the follow. Should I stick to the core 50Ks or would you recommend going to the scale or pro? If they're still running the discount on the pro account, it's a pretty good deal. But the core account is pretty good. Make sure you use code SWOOSH at checkout. Shameless plug. Shameless plug. Is December price action a thing? Yeah. I mean, it's a short month. It's probably the shortest trading month out of the year. You have Christmas and you have New Year's. So, you know, there's not a lot of volume during this time. Where's Blur? Blur's taking a pause from doing signals. He's taking a pause from doing signals. Call longs 5:30. Trump speaking today. Would you agree that the market we're in currently is more difficult than previous years? Yes, 100%. Without a doubt. It's been crazy. Just because Trump is doing so much, you know? Like, he's doing so much. Is he doing it on purpose? I think so. I think he is, personally. You know, to pump up either his pockets or, you know, the people around him. So, you know, because when all the tariff shit was going on as well, like, dude, I've never seen manipulation that hard ever. Like that was real deal market manipulation in real time. Yeah, long term, like market wise, like the performance of the market's been insane this year. I mean, we've gone up insane. We've gone up a crazy amount. So, you know, but for us day traders, you know, it's like, yeah, it's been a little bit hard because there's, I think, been a lot more manipulation and overall volume in the market. But yeah, you know, if you have any long-term holdings, I mean, it's been great for the market. So it's how you look at it, you know. Who got you into trading originally? Well, I got into trading when I was like, I was like 13 or 14, and who was hot at the time was Nord Trades. Nord Trades, he was an options trader, and obviously there was like there's been like a lot of scandals with Nord Trades, but yeah, he got me into trading originally. He was like posting the, you know, the private jets and Lambos, and my 13-year-old mind was like, oh my God, this is what I want to be doing. And that got me into it, bro. That got me into it. And then my uncle, you guys know who he is if you're a trader. He kind of refined my trading skills. First name is Michael. You guys might know him. Swunkle. Thank you for the free live. I got you, bro. Every single Wednesday, if you guys don't know, every single Wednesday I do a free live stream. Michael Burry? Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Swush, gotta try frozen grass laying. I feel so good. Yo, you're like a different breed. Yo. The resemblance is uncanny. Michael Jordan. All right, chat. I'm going to give this thing maybe 10 more minutes, man. Like, we are climbing up to this entry, which is good. I'm still taking it. Let me go rip a piss real quick. Hold on.
no matter how much I try. Wait, no, I did not really pursue my little princess with persistence. And I was so low-key that she was unaware of my existence. From a distance, I desired her, secretly admired her, wired her a letter to get her. And it went, my dear, my dear, my dear, you do not know me, but I know you very well. Now let me tell you about the feelings I've been for you when I try or make some sort of attempt. I simp. Damn, I wish I wasn't such a wimp. Cause then I would let you know that I love you so. And if I was your man, then I would be true. The only lying I would do is in the bed with you. Then I turned to Shirley, the one who loves you dearly. P.S. Love me tender. But the letter came back 3 days later. Returned to sender. Damn.
Got back just in time. You still have your sim rig? I do. I do.
Here we go again. Common passed on this beat, I made it to a jam. And everything I'm not made me everything I am. Here we go again. People talking shit, but when the shit hit the fan, everything I'm not made me everything I am. I never be
Alright guys, getting close to entry here.
light as Albie or black as Chauncey. Remember him from Black Street? He was black as the street was. I never be laid back as this beat was. I never could see why people are reach a fake ass facade that they couldn't keep up. You see how I creeped up? You see how I played a big role in Chicago like Queen Latifah? I never rock a mink coat in the wintertime like Killer Cam. I rock some mink boots in the summertime like Will I Am. Let me know if you feel it, man, cause everything I'm not made me everything I am. Damn. Here we go again. Everybody saying what's not for him, but everything I'm not made me everything I am. Damn. Here we go again. People talking shit, but when the shit hit the fan, everything I'm not made me everything I am. And I'm back to tear it up. Hey, to start your engines, I hear them gearing up. People talk so much shit about me.
Chat edging? Chat edging. Nah, we're close.
The streets is flaying up cause they want gun talk or I don't wear enough. Baggy clothes, Reeboks to Adidas. Can I add that he do spaz out at his shows? So say goodbye to the NAACP award. Goodbye to the NDRE award. They'd rather give me the nigga please award. But I just take the I got a lot of cheese award. Damn. Here we go again. But everything I'm not made me everything I am. Damn. Here we go again. People talking shit, but when the shit hit the fan, everything I'm not made me everything I am. I know
YouTube ended my live.
but I got the facts to back this.
What?
Here Chicago had over 600
Stream unavailable. Stream suspended
some whack shit.
for policy violations. And this 5-minute Sibby looking to ride this thing down. Let's get it, guys. Had to be very patient for this entry, but finally in.
Here we go again. Everybody saying what's not for him, but everything I'm not made me everything I am. Damn. Here we go again. People talking shit, but when the shit hit the fan, everything I'm not made me everything I am.
Just not a fan of this movement, though. Really, if we can get 130 takes out of this, I'll be happy with it. I don't really want to target any lower. Bro, this is a bad decision. Up 350, up 400. Up 500, 600. Guys, feel free to TP whenever you guys want. That's the one area we need to get by, like right here. That's the one area we need to get by, literally. It's the only support before our TP is what we just tapped into. Yeah, structure looking all right though. The window. What happened to YouTube, bro? Stream unavailable. Stream suspended.